Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam rumah belajar. Hi everyone, how's everything with you? I hope everything is great. Welcome to English Learning Series. Within a couple minutes ahead, with me, Rahman Halim, we are going to talk about occupation in easy and common way. Halo sahabat rumah belajar, selamat berjumpa di pembelajaran bahasa Inggris. Kali ini kita akan membahas tentang occupation in natural English. Apakah kalian tahu apa occupation itu? Yes, that's right. Occupation adalah pekerjaan atau disebut juga job or profession. To know more how to ask and answer about occupation, let's get started and watch the following animation video.
It's been a while not to see you, Angel.
Yes, it's been a while not to see you too, Randy. How have you been?
Well, as you can see, I'm great. How about you?
Pretty good.
By the way, what do you do?
I work for Borneo Entertainment.
It's interesting. You must enjoy your job.
Yeah, I think so.
Nah, baru saja kita menyimak dialog tanya-jawab tentang pekerjaan. How to ask someone's job or occupation. Sahabat rumah belajar, tujuan pembelajaran kita kali ini adalah to identify a natural expression of asking someone's job or occupation. And the second one, to be able to compose a simple dialogue of occupation. Cara yang umum dan natural dalam menanyakan pekerjaan seseorang adalah, of course, you can say, what is your job? What's your job? Tentu saja ungkapan ini bisa digunakan karena secara gramatikal benar, namun terdengar too awkward atau too direct. Nah, mari kita lihat beberapa perbandingan kalimat tanya sebagai berikut. Yang pertama, what are you doing? What are you doing? Jawabannya adalah, I'm teaching English. I'm teaching English. Yang kedua, what do you do? What do you do? Ya, jawabannya adalah I'm an English teacher. I'm an English teacher. Well, smart students, do you see the difference? Nah, dapatkah para siswa or smart students, bahkan sahabat rumah belajar, membedakan maksud kedua pertanyaan tersebut berdasarkan jawaban yang diberikan? Ya, tepat sekali. Even though these two questions sound quite familiar, but actually different in meaning. For a simple way, you can just listen ing at the end of the first sentence or the first question, which is mean you are doing something at this time or right now. On the other hand, what do you do means someone's asked about your job. What are you doing merupakan kalimat tanya atau ungkapan untuk menanyakan kamu sedang apa, atau apa yang sedang kamu lakukan. Maka jawabannya, I'm teaching English or I'm presenting a video of English learning series. Sedangkan, what are you doing? Contoh lain ya. Bisa jadi, I'm cooking. I'm cooking. Atau, I'm listening to music. I'm listening to music. Contoh lain, I'm playing online game. I'm playing online game. Atau, I'm watching a video of English. Meanwhile, sementara the question, what do you do? Ya, what do you do? Adalah pertanyaan tentang pekerjaan, yaitu apa pekerjaanmu? Ya, maka jawabannya, contohnya adalah I'm an English teacher. I'm an English teacher. I am an English teacher. Nah, terlihatkan perbedaannya? Baik sahabat rumah belajar, what do you do sebenarnya versi pendek dari what do you do for living? Ya, perhatikan, what do you do? What do you do for a living? Jadi bisa disingkat pertanyaannya, what do you do? Oke? Nah, mari kita berlatih. Kita gunakan kalimat tanya what do you do untuk pekerjaan. Yang pertama, what do you do? What do you do? I'm a farmer. I am a farmer. Yang kedua, what do you do? I am a fisherman. I am a fisherman. Contoh lain, what do you do? I'm a doctor. I am a doctor. Versi jawaban yang berbeda bisa kita berikan untuk menyatakan nama atau tempat kita bekerja, nama institusi tempat kita bekerja. Contoh, what do you do? I work for Pupuk Kaltim. What do you do? I work for Pupuk Kaltim. Atau common places, contohnya, what do you do? I work at the airport. I work at the bank. What do you do? I work at the bank. Nah, sahabat rumah belajar, kita juga bisa menggunakan kalimat tanya ini untuk orang ketiga, baik bentuk singular atau plural, ya, kepada she, he, atau they. Contoh, ketika saya ingin menanyakan pekerjaan ayah kalian, misalnya ya, what does your father do? Kalian bisa menjawab, he is a soldier. He is a soldier. Contohnya ya, what does he do? Jadi, what does your father do bisa diganti dengan what does he do? Kalian bisa menjawab, he is a doctor. He is a doctor. Atau, he is a lawyer. Kemudian, untuk she misalnya, what does your sister do? She is a secretary. She is a secretary. Kemudian, contoh lain, what does your sister do bisa diganti dengan what does she do? What does she do? What does she do? She works for Pupuk Kaltim. She works for Pupuk Kaltim. Contoh lain, hey, what do they do? What do they do? Apa pekerjaan mereka? They are teachers. They are teachers. Well, smart students, how was the explanation? I do hope that was clear enough for you. Semoga dapat dimengerti dan mudah ya. Untuk mengembangkan vocabulary, ungkapan, expression, kalian bisa banyak membaca, menonton, mempelajari kosakata seputar occupation, atau kalian bisa mengunjungi portal Rumah Belajar dengan mengklik belajar.kemdikbud.go.id. Di sana banyak sumber belajar berupa video atau juga animasi dan juga web. Ya. Nah, sahabat Rumah Belajar, finally, I'm Rahman Halim would like to sign off. Thanks for watching. Semoga bermanfaat. Guru semangat berbagi dan siswa semangat belajar. Bersama Rumah Belajar, belajar di mana saja, kapan saja, dan dengan siapa saja. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam Rumah Belajar.